it is the average amount of uncertainty remaining about the channel input after the channel output has been observed. This is the scientific definition of the conditional entropy, which means we come to know what is the average input information. That is, we are trying to know what is the average information content in the input of the channel. That is, if we know the information available, we understand that there is certain information available and we try to resolve the uncertainty. So it is written as, it is the average amount of uncertainty remaining about the channel input after the channel output has been observed. So I try to find out the average information of the input by observing the value of output. So after observing the value of output, I try to estimate what would be the input that was applied, or what was the input that was applied, that I try to estimate. And even after that, if some input remains unknown or if some input is random, we call it as uncertainty. So still, after knowing the output, still there is some uncertainty, there is some randomness in the input signal, then that is called as average amount of uncertainty remaining about the channel input after we observe the output. That is the definition of conditional entropy. The conditional entropy H of x over y relates to the channel output y to the channel input x. So it gives us the relationship between output of the channel and input of the channel. After knowing the output, what input was applied, that I come to know after I know the conditional entropy. The entropy H of x defines the entropy of the channel input x by itself. So we already know this term H of x, it is called as entropy of the input x. So if we know these two entropies, that is input entropy and conditional entropy H of x over y, then we get to know one more term which is called as mutual information, and it is denoted by letter capital I. It is denoted by letter capital I of x comma y. So this is the mutual information between output y and input x, and it is given by the equation H of x, that is the input entropy minus conditional entropy, and this is called as mutual information. So from the input entropy, if I subtract the conditional entropy H of x over y, what I get back is the mutual information. So this gives us that if I subtract the common information between input and conditional entropy, then what I get is the mutual information. So to add meaning to this new concept, we recognize that entropy H of x accounts for the uncertainty about the channel input before observing the channel output, and the conditional entropy H of x over y accounts for the uncertainty about the channel input after observing the channel output.